Hey, real quick, have you ever wondered why you're not living the life you really want? I mean, you've got dreams, right? Big ones. But something's holding you back, and deep down, you know it. Well, today, I'm spilling the truth about the one thing that's keeping you stuck and how you can break free from it starting right now. This isn't some fluffy motivational talk. It's real, it's practical, and it's going to change how you see yourself. So stick around. You won't regret it. Let's cut to the chase. You're stuck because of your comfort zone. Yeah, that cozy little bubble where everything feels safe and familiar. But here's the deal. It's not safe. It's a trap. While you're chilling there, telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, life's moving on without you. Opportunities pass by. Other people grow, and you're left watching, wishing you'd made a move. Sound familiar? Think about it. When was the last time you did something that scared you? Something that made your heart race a little? If you're drawing a blank, that's a sign. Your comfort zone isn't protecting you, it's holding you hostage. And the longer you stay, the harder it gets to escape. Let me tell you about my buddy Mark. He's a regular guy, just like you or me. For years, he worked a job he couldn't stand. Long hours, no passion, just a paycheck. He'd say, I'll quit when the time's right. But that right time never came. One day he got laid off out of nowhere. Panic hit hard, but it also lit a fire under him. He started a small online business, something he'd dreamed about but never dared to try. Fast forward a year, and he's making more than he ever did at that soul-crushing job. The point? Sometimes life forces you out of your comfort zone, but you don't have to wait for that push. You can choose to step out today. So why do we cling to our comfort zones? It's simple. Fear. Fear of failing, fear of looking dumb, fear of the unknown. I get it. I've been there. You tell yourself, what if I try and it doesn't work? But let me flip that. What if you don't try? What if you wake up 5 years from now still in the same spot with a pile of regrets? That's way scarier than failing, if you ask me. Studies back this up. Only about 8% of people actually stick to their New Year's resolutions. Why? Because most of us let fear win. We don't take action. But you're not here to be part of that 92%, right? You're here to break the cycle. All right, let's get practical. You don't need to flip your whole life upside down today. Small steps add up. Here's how to start. Figure out what's holding you back. Grab a pen, write down one thing you've been avoiding. Is it a job change, starting a project? Be honest with yourself. What's the fear behind it? Take one tiny step. Don't overthink it. If you want to switch careers, Google a job listing. If you want to get fit, do 5 push-ups. Tiny wins build momentum. Own the fear. Yeah, it's scary. Admit it to yourself. I'm freaked out, but I'm doing it anyway. That's where the magic happens. Take me, for example. I used to hate public speaking, sweaty palms, the works. But I forced myself to join a local group and practice. First time was a mess, but each try got easier. Now, I'm making videos like this. Small steps, big results. Let's talk about what's on the line. Picture this. 5 years from now, you're either proud of who you've become or you're kicking yourself for staying the same. Which version of you do you want to meet? The one who took a chance, chased a dream, and grew? Or the one who kept waiting for someday? Here's a stat to chew on. People regret the things they didn't do way more than the things they tried and failed at. Don't let that be you. You've got one life. Don't waste it playing small. So here's my challenge to you. Do one thing today that scares you. Just one. Send that email, sign up for that class, tell someone your goal. Whatever it is, act on it. Then come back here and drop it in the comments. I want to hear about it and I'll cheer you on. Personal growth isn't easy, but it's worth it. Overcoming fear unlocks your potential. Taking risks opens doors you didn't even know existed. You've got this. I believe in you. Look, I know change is tough. I've been where you are, stuck, scared, unsure. But staying stuck is tougher. You deserve better than that. So take that first step today. If this video helped you even a little, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk like this.